hello there, and welcome back to another video by Tech Girl Brianna, aka me. Okay, I guess I am the output then. That was really weird. I just wanted to try something new. What do you guys think? Well, anyways, every Tuesdays I make videos here on YouTube, so make sure you stay tuned to watch another video by me every Tuesday. So thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get going. So today's video is comparing the differences between a front-end developer and a back-end developer. So my very first entry-level job is when I worked as a entry-level front-end web developer. Although that was my job title, I often found myself being expected to do more of like a junior and senior level of back-end developing, and that's part of the many reasons why I didn't work out with the company, because what I was hired on for is not what I did in my day-to-day job. So that and a million other things, like this is not to bash my previous employer, but let's get going. Okay, moving on. Sometimes the lines get blurred, and they end up basically being a full stack developer, and they're expected to know both. So I'm going to talk about my boyfriend James a little bit, because he's actually a full stack developer, but he's actually also a team lead, supervisor, and also a hiring manager. So although his title is full stack developer, or no, team lead, I think. He got promoted recently, so I actually don't know his official title. He's told me it before, but because he works at a startup, the lines get blurred. So you have a title, but really you're doing a million things. But despite my previous job as a entry-level front-end web developer, I would say that I would like to give it another chance one day. It's something I've always been interested in. We'll see if it's for me, but I just wanted to let you guys know what the differences were between front end and back end. Okay, so front end is typically, it means that it's the part that the customers interact with, and that's what the front end developer is in charge of developing, such as the GUI and the command line. I like it because I personally like to physically see the output on what I am coding. So front end consists of two parts, and that is web design and front end web development. A stereotypical front-end web developer will be coding fluently in HTML, CSS, and in JavaScript. And those three combined is what you see in the web browser, and that's what the web browser renders. But to store the information in the front-end elements, that's when you will need a back-end developer to make that technology happen. So back-end is more of the behind the scenes. So let's say if a customer was inputting information for booking, I don't know, like hotel. They type in their name, they type in their credit card information, just all their information, what room they want, whatever. And then it's the backend's web developer job to basically create a giant Excel spreadsheet, not really an Excel spreadsheet, but that's if you think of it that way, where it stores the information elsewhere. So back-end means it's the parts that do work, but the user is unaware of seeing what's going on with that code. So back-end development has three parts: a server, database, and application. So once the customer enters information in the fields or takes actions, the application stores that information in the database, and the database is hosted on the server. So a stereotypical backend web developer will be coding in PHP, Python, and Ruby. But enhanced frameworks such as Ruby on Rails, such as many other popular ones, it makes the development much faster. And actually, my boyfriend James codes in Ruby on Rails when he's working on the backend side of things for the website. Okay, so today's video was very short. And that is because I am actually pre-filming a bunch of videos for a bunch of my other YouTube channels I have. I have a total of 3, and I am pre-filming videos for 2 of them right now. I guess technically 3. I have one of these videos going up on one of my other YouTube channels. But so that's why today's video is kind of short, and also I didn't feel like there was a lot to share about this topic. It's pretty straightforward. Maybe I used a lot of terms that were maybe more advanced for someone that is just getting to know what computer science is. So if there was anything I could have explained better, maybe if you can let me know in the comments down below and I'll address them as soon as I can. Regardless, I hope this video helped you anyways. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for next week's video. Okay, thanks everyone. See you next time. Bye.